The difference between entrepreneurs who win and those who wait isn't money, it's momentum. So if you've been sitting on an idea or stuck in getting ready mode, this is your wake-up call. So here's a 5-step formula to launching your business in the next 24 hours. So I believe you can launch a real revenue-ready business in 24 hours. No investors, no website, no perfect plan. Because the difference between entrepreneurs who win and those who wait isn't money, it's momentum. So if you've been sitting on an idea or stuck in getting ready mode, this is your wake-up call. I'm Brittany Calloway. I provide insights around credit, business, and finance to help business owners turn credit into capital and capital into freedom. Every week, I meet people who've been planning their business for months, logos, website, market research, and they still haven't made a single sale or launched anything. But when you understand the 5 simple steps I'm about to share, you can launch your business today, start earning tomorrow, and refine and tweak as you grow. Every year, I launch something new, and every single time, I use the same 24-hour launch system. When we launched the Funding Lounge, we didn't start with a fancy brand or expensive tech stack. We started with one question. How can we help small business owners understand their cash flow so they make smarter financial decisions? That became our unique angle in an already crowded space. Companies like QuickBooks and Xero were already proving the model that it worked. We just built a better, faster, and more human version of the platform. So what was the result? Proof of concept, cash flow from day one, and clarity about what the market actually wanted. So you might be thinking, that's easy for you to say, Britt, I don't have experience or the funding to do something like that. But here's the truth. You don't need experience to start. You need relevance. If you lived, worked, or even volunteered in a space, that counts. One of my clients got denied a business loan because the bank said she had no experience. It wasn't until we pointed out that she spent 10 years managing and coaching in the same industry, and then next week when we went back to revising the business plan, she got approved. So here's a 5-step formula to launching your business in the next 24 hours. Step 1, I need you to define your offer. The riches are in the niches. Decide what you're selling, product or service. Don't try to be different yet. Look for proof of concept. If others are already doing it, that's a good thing. Your job is to make it better, clearer, or simpler. If you want help crafting your offer, you can reach out to us with my team using the link below. Also, read $100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi. I promise it will change how you think about value. You can also grab my Operate Like a Business Pro business credit card checklist at thefundinglounge.com, where we show you how to operate your business like a pro. Step 2, set up your LLC and business bank account. Stop waiting for paperwork. You can file an LLC in Wyoming in under 20 minutes. You can get your EIN on the irs.gov site in 5 and open a business bank account in less than an hour. Now, that allows you to get paid legally and professionally. Step 3, find your dream clients. Ask yourself, where are the people already buying what I offer? You can find them on LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or through even referral partners like CPAs, coaches, consultants who already serve your target market. Offer a small commission for introductions. That's one of the fastest ways that you're going to create deal flow without spending on ads right away. Step 4, write a simple sales script. I was in high ticket sales for years, and you don't wing your conversations. You need to script them. Explain the problem that you solve, why your solution is different, and what result your clients are going to get. You need to rehearse this over and over again until you can say it naturally. Clarity builds confidence, and confidence is what closes deals. Step 5, I want you to focus on outreach and sales. This is where most people stop, but this is where you are going to win. I want you to reach out to at least 50 people just to start in the next 24 hours. Send them either a DM, email, voice note, whatever it takes. Forget the logo, the website, the perfect funnel. Sales comes first. You can polish the brand Once you've proven, people are willing to pay for your product. Launching isn't about being fearless. It's about being decisive. It'll take 100 times more outreach and persistence than you expect, but if you push through that resistance, you'll have a business that will change your life. It's not just an idea that collects dust. This is actually now something that is turning into profits and cash flow. So here's your challenge. Decide your offer, be specific. File your LLC. Open up the business bank account. Reach out to your first 50 prospects. If you do that in the next 24 hours, you'll be further than 99% of aspiring entrepreneurs. And when you're ready to scale, then you can watch my next video of how to get $150,000 in 0% business credit using your EIN. Because we don't wait for opportunity around here. We build it, we fund it, and we scale it.